Hello friends, in previous video we have seen how we can create a Spring Boot first project in Spring Toolsuite IDE, but in this video we will see how we can create our first Spring Boot Maven project in Eclipse IDE. As there is directly method of creating a Spring Boot project in STS, but there is no such method to create directly in Eclipse. So what we will do, there is separate way of creating our Spring Boot project from browser. We will open any browser. So let's go to the Chrome browser. Then we will type Spring Initializr. Here it is. We will click on the first link and then we will select the language and project type. We will select Maven project. We have to select here Spring Boot version. After that let it be, or also you can change your project name, group name, artifact name. So as it is example project, so let it be as it is. So then click on the Java version. Let's click Java 8. Then add dependencies. First important dependency is Spring Web. So let's add that dependency, and another dev tools for auto save and build. Add this also. Then generate. See, one zip file has been downloaded, so we will extract this zip. We will go to folder where the file has been extracted. So it is extracted in download folder. So here it is, and we will import this folder from our Eclipse. So let's open Eclipse IDE. Okay, then click on file, import, select project type Maven project, existing Maven project as it is already downloaded. So click on next. Browse that folder. It's in download section. Demo. We will select demo inside demo. Okay, select folder, finish, let it import. It will take some time. At below left side corner it's showing the percentage also. Importing Maven project 9%. It's depend on your internet connectivity speed, so remember to connect with the internet. It will download some jar files from the net, so let's wait. See, our project has been imported. Expand this. First check on pom.xml file. Whatever dependency we have selected from Spring Initializr, that dependency has added in pom.xml. Jar file downloaded in Maven dependencies. Okay, so expand our package com.example.demo. This is the main class. So first of all, let's try to print something here only. Hello world. Save it and run it. Run as Java application. Let's see whether this hello world is printing in console or not. See, hello world is printing. So as Spring Boot is a web based framework, so let's try to get something in the browser. So we will create one new class. Let's create our new controller package .controller, and inside controller package we will create one controller class that will be demo controller. Okay, annotate this class as just controller. REST controller because we are creating REST API. So just for the testing purpose, let's create one method that will be get mapping. Give one URL or just keep simple slash public string. That methods will return one string. Test method, and it will simply return one string and show in the browser. So this is our first REST API. Okay, return. Fine, let's save this project. See, when we are saving, it is running automatically. Go to the browser, you can go any browser and give the URL. What will be the URL? That will be localhost and then port number, and by default Springboot project runs on 8080. So localhost colon 8080, and that method controller is slash enter. See, that message is printing in the browser. This is our first REST API. So we have successfully created our Springboot project in Eclipse IDE. Thanks for watching this video.